Imagine walking into a senior's home where every corner radiates warmth, order, and serenity. The air feels fresh, the surfaces gleam, and there's a quiet sense of pride in the space. Have you ever wondered how some seniors create such inviting, stress-free homes, while others struggle with clutter and chaos? If you're ready to transform your living space into a haven of peace and purpose, this video is for you. As a counselor specializing in psychology and health for seniors, I've spent years studying how daily habits shape not just our homes, but our mental and emotional well-being. Today, I'm sharing 16 powerful habits that seniors with clean homes practice every day, habits that can help you overcome challenges like stress, physical limitations, or overwhelming chores. By the end, you'll have practical, life-changing strategies to create a home that nurtures your body and soul. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Before we start, please hit that like button. If you're excited to learn these tips, it helps me share more valuable content with you. If you're new here, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a video. And let me know in the comments, type 1 if you're ready to make your home a sanctuary, or 0 if you want me to improve this video for you. Now let's get started. 1. Start the day with intention. Seniors with clean homes don't just wake up and dive into chaos. They begin each day with a purposeful morning routine that sets the tone for order and calm. As a psychologist, I've seen how small intentional actions can rewire our brains to embrace structure over stress. These seniors dedicate 10 to 15 minutes each morning to simple tasks like making the bed, opening windows to let in fresh air, or tidying a single surface. For example, Mary, a 72-year-old retiree from Ohio, starts her day by brewing coffee and straightening her living room cushions. She says, "This ritual feels like a warm hug from my home, grounding her for the day ahead." Why does this matter? Psychologically, a morning routine reduces decision fatigue, which is especially crucial for seniors managing health concerns or limited energy. By starting with small wins, like a neatly made bed, you trigger a dopamine release that boosts motivation for other tasks. Physically, these light activities improve circulation and mobility, supporting overall health. To make this habit your own, choose 1 or 2 tasks that feel meaningful. Maybe it's watering a plant or folding a blanket. The key is consistency, not perfection. If mobility is a challenge, focus on tasks within reach, like organizing a bedside table. Over time, this routine becomes a sacred act of self-care, transforming your home into a reflection of your inner peace. Engagement prompt. If you're still watching, comment 1 to let me know you're with me. What's one morning task you could start tomorrow? 2. Embrace the clean as you go. Mindset seniors with spotless homes don't let messes pile up. They tackle them in real time. This clean-as-you-go approach is a game changer rooted in mindfulness and proactive thinking. Instead of waiting for a big cleaning day, they wipe down kitchen counters after cooking, rinse dishes immediately after meals, or sweep crumbs off the floor right after breakfast. Take John, a 68-year-old from Texas who learned this habit as a former diner cook. He says, "If I spill flour, I clean it before it spreads, saves me hours later." From a psychological perspective, this habit reduces the mental load of facing a mountain of chores. Clutter can trigger anxiety, especially for seniors dealing with health challenges or cognitive decline. By addressing messes instantly, you maintain control over your environment, which fosters a sense of empowerment. Physically, these small actions prevent the need for strenuous, deep cleaning sessions, preserving energy and reducing injury risk. To adopt this mindset, start small. Keep a sponge by the sink or a microfiber cloth in your pocket. If you notice a spill, pause and clean it. It takes seconds but saves minutes. For those with arthritis or fatigue, use lightweight tools like disposable wipes. Over time, this habit becomes second nature, turning chaos into calm. Engagement prompt. Comment 2 if this tip resonates with you. What's one mess you'll clean as you go today? 3. Declutter with purpose. Seniors with clean homes don't just organize. They declutter with intention, letting go of items that no longer serve them. This isn't about minimalism, it's about creating space for joy and ease. They regularly ask, does this item spark happiness or add stress? If it's the latter, it's donated or discarded. Susan, an 80-year-old from Florida, keeps a donation box in her garage, adding items weekly. She says, "Letting go of old clothes feels like shedding weight from my soul." Psychologically, decluttering reduces cognitive overload, which is critical for seniors managing memory issues or stress. A clutter-free home improves focus and emotional clarity, creating a sanctuary for relaxation. Physically fewer items mean less dusting, lifting or tripping hazards, supporting safety and mobility. To start, pick one area, a drawer, a shelf, and spend 10 minutes sorting. Use the one-in-one out rule for every new item, remove an old one. If letting go feels hard, take photos of sentimental items to preserve memories without the clutter. This practice isn't just about stuff, it's about reclaiming your space and peace of mind. Engagement prompt comment 3. If you're ready to declutter, what's one item you could let go of today? 4. Focus on high traffic zones, seniors with clean homes. Prioritize areas that matter most, kitchens, bathrooms, and living rooms. They know a spotless guest room means little if the kitchen counter is buried under dishes. For example, Linda, a 75-year-old from California, wipes her kitchen island daily and vacuums her living room weekly, saying, "These spaces are my home's heartbeat." This approach is rooted in efficiency, a principle I emphasize in counseling. By focusing on high-traffic zones, you maximize impact with minimal effort, reducing stress and boosting pride in your home. Psychologically, a tidy core space enhances mood and social confidence, especially for seniors hosting family. Physically, it minimizes hazards like spills or clutter in busy areas. To implement this, identify your home's hotspots and give them daily attention. A quick wipe down or sweep takes minutes but keeps chaos at bay. If energy is low, sight while cleaning or use long-handled tools, your home will feel welcoming no matter who walks in. Engagement prompt comment 4. If this tip hits home, what's your home's busiest area? 5. Build a calming evening ritual. Seniors with clean homes end their day with a 10-minute tidy-up that sets them up for success. They fold blankets, clear counters, or fluff pillows, creating a serene environment for rest. James, a 70-year-old from Michigan, lights a lavender candle while tidying, saying, "It's my way of telling my home good night." Psychologically, this ritual signals closure, reducing nighttime anxiety and promoting better sleep, a critical factor for senior health. It also prevents morning overwhelm as you wake to a calm space. Physically, light tidying keeps muscles active without strain, supporting mobility. Try this before bed. Pick 3 small tasks like washing a few dishes or straightening a table. Pair it with a soothing act like playing soft music. If mobility is limited, focus on nearby tasks like organizing a nightstand. This habit turns bedtime into a moment of peace. Engagement prompt comment 5. If you're inspired, what's one evening task you'll try? 6. Use smart storage solutions. Seniors with clean homes rely on clever storage to keep clutter at bay. They use labeled bins, clear containers, or multi-purpose furniture to ensure everything has a place. For example, Barbara, a 77-year-old from Arizona, stores blankets in an ottoman, saying, "It's like my furniture works for me." From a health perspective, organized storage reduces stress and cognitive strain, as you don't waste energy searching for items. Physically accessible storage minimizes bending or reaching, supporting safety. Psychologically, a tidy space boosts confidence and control. Start with one area like a pantry or closet. Use clear bins for visibility and labels for ease. If budget is tight, repurpose shoeboxes or baskets. This habit makes organization effortless, leaving you more time for what matters. Engagement prompt comment 6. If this tip clicks, what's one storage idea you'll try? 7. Break tasks into bite-sized chunks. Seniors with clean homes avoid overwhelm by tackling chores in small, manageable pieces. They might dust one shelf today, vacuum tomorrow, and wipe windows next week. Emma, a 69-year-old from Colorado, sets a 15-minute timer, saying, "It's amazing what I can do in a short burst." Psychologically, this approach reduces procrastination and builds confidence as small wins accumulate. Physically, it conserves energy and prevents strain, crucial for seniors with health concerns. It also fosters a growth mindset, showing that progress is possible at any age. Try this: pick one task and give it 10 minutes. Stop if you're tired or keep going. If you're energized, use a timer to stay focused over time. These chunks add up to a sparkling home. Engagement prompt comment 7. If you're ready to start small, what's one task you'll tackle? 8. Keep supplies within reach. Seniors with clean homes make cleaning easy by storing supplies where they're needed. A spray bottle in the bathroom, a broom in the kitchen. These save time and effort. Tom, an 82-year-old from New York, uses a caddy for supplies, saying, "I'm not running a marathon to find a sponge." This habit supports independence, a key factor in senior mental health. It reduces frustration and empowers you to handle tasks without help. Physically, it minimizes unnecessary movement, preserving energy and safety. Place a cloth or wipes in every room. If mobility is an issue, use a rolling cart for supplies. This small change makes cleaning feel like less of a chore. Engagement prompt comment 8. If this tip makes sense, where will you stash your supplies? 9. Bring nature indoors. Seniors with clean homes enhance their spaces with plants or flowers, creating a fresh, vibrant atmosphere. A potted fern or a vase of daisies adds life and beauty. Sarah, a 74-year-old from Oregon, grows herbs on her windowsill, saying, "They make my kitchen feel alive." Psychologically, nature reduces stress and boosts mood, countering loneliness or anxiety. Plants also improve air quality, supporting respiratory health, a big concern for seniors. Physically caring for plants is a gentle activity that promotes mobility. Start with low-maintenance plants like succulents or pothos. If gardening isn't an option, buy fresh flowers weekly. This habit brings joy and vitality to your home. Engagement prompt, comment 9. If you love this idea, what plant will you add to your space? 10. Reflect on your why. Seniors with clean homes see cleaning as more than a chore. It's a way to honor their space and themselves. They reflect on why tidiness matters, whether it's for peace, pride, or memories. Helen, a 79-year-old from Georgia, cleans her dining table nightly, saying, "It reminds me of family dinners with my kids." Psychologically connecting tasks to purpose boosts motivation and resilience, especially during tough times. It turns cleaning into a meaningful ritual, enhancing emotional health. Physically, it encourages consistency, keeping you active. Ask yourself, why do I want a clean home? Write it down and revisit it when motivation dips. This reflection transforms chores into acts of love. Engagement prompt, comment 10. If this resonates, what's your why for a clean home? 11. Schedule seasonal refreshers. Seniors with clean homes embrace seasonal deep cleans to keep their spaces vibrant. They might wash curtains in spring or organize closets in fall. Robert, a 71-year-old from Illinois, cleans his windows yearly, saying, "It's like giving my home new eyes." This habit prevents buildup, reducing stress and physical strain. Psychologically, it marks time with purpose, fostering a sense of renewal. Physically, it spreads effort across the year, protecting health. Plan 1 seasonal task per quarter. Clean a carpet, declutter a basement, break it into small steps if needed. This keeps your home fresh and functional. Engagement prompt, comment. 11. If you're inspired, what's one seasonal task you'll try? 12. Create activity zones. Seniors with clean homes designate spaces for specific tasks. A reading nook, a craft corner, an exercise area. This keeps clutter contained and purpose clear. Diane, a 76-year-old from Nevada, has a yoga corner, saying, "It's my daily invitation to move." Psychologically, zones reduce decision fatigue and enhance focus, supporting cognitive health. Physically, they minimize clutter-related hazards, promoting safety. They also encourage hobbies, boosting joy. Set up one zone like a chair with a book basket. Keep it tidy and dedicated. This habit organizes your home and life. Engagement prompt. Comment 12. If this clicks, what zone will you create? 13. Make cleaning fun. Seniors with clean homes turn chores into joy by adding music, podcasts, or friends. They might dance while dusting or chat during decluttering. Lisa, a 73-year-old from Virginia, plays jazz while cleaning, saying, "It's my workout and concert in one." Psychologically, this boosts mood and motivation, countering boredom or loneliness. Physically, it makes cleaning feel less taxing, encouraging consistency. It also fosters social bonds if others join in. Try cleaning with a favorite playlist or invite a friend to declutter together. This habit makes tidying a treat, not a task. Engagement prompt, comment. 13. If you're ready to have fun, what'll make cleaning enjoyable for you? 14. Plan a weekly deep clean. Seniors with clean homes dedicate one day a week to bigger tasks like scrubbing floors or cleaning appliances. This prevents buildup and keeps routines manageable. George, a 78-year-old from Pennsylvania, cleans his bathroom every Saturday, saying, "It's my weekly reset." Psychologically, a set day reduces stress by eliminating guesswork. Physically, it spreads effort, preserving energy. It also builds discipline, enhancing mental clarity. Choose a day and pick one task like vacuuming or wiping shelves. If time is short, focus on one room. This habit keeps your home pristine. Engagement prompt. Comment 14 if this works for you. What's your deep clean day? 15. Stick to a laundry routine. Seniors with clean homes manage laundry with a consistent schedule, preventing piles and stress. They wash clothes on set days and fold them promptly. Nancy, a 70-year-old from Minnesota, does linens on Wednesdays, saying, "It keeps my home feeling fresh." Psychologically, this routine reduces overwhelm and boosts control, vital for emotional health. Physically, it minimizes heavy lifting by spreading tasks. It also ensures clean essentials, supporting hygiene. Set 2 laundry days, one for clothes, one for linens. Fold as soon as possible. If mobility is limited, use a laundry basket with wheels. This habit keeps chaos at bay. Engagement prompt. Comment 15 if you're on board. What's your laundry schedule? 16. Practice gratitude for your space. Seniors with clean homes maintain them with gratitude, seeing their space as a gift. They clean with love, appreciating their home's role in their life. Margaret, an 81-year-old from South Carolina, says, "My home holds my memories. I care for it like a friend." Psychologically, gratitude reduces stress and enhances resilience. Key for seniors facing challenges. Physically, it motivates consistent effort, keeping you active. It also deepens your connection to your space, fostering joy. Each day, pause to appreciate one part of your home: a cozy chair, a sunny window. Let this gratitude fuel your cleaning. This habit transforms your home into a true sanctuary. Engagement prompt. Comment 16 if this inspires you. What's one thing you're grateful for in your home? The secret to a clean home isn't endless scrubbing or perfect organization. It's building small, intentional habits that honor your space and yourself. Each task, from wiping a counter to planting a flower, is an act of care that nurtures your mental, emotional, and physical health. As a counselor, I've seen how these habits empower seniors to face life's challenges with confidence and calm. Start with one habit today and watch your home and your heart transform. What was your favorite tip from today's video? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're making your home a sanctuary. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on thriving in your golden years. Hit that bell so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep shining.